Can Ensure be consumed as a meal replacement?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we'll be discussing an important question. Can Ensure be consumed as a meal replacement? Meal replacement products have gained popularity in recent years as a convenient option for busy individuals or those looking to manage their weight. But is Ensure, a popular brand known for its nutritional drinks, a suitable choice for replacing a meal? Let's find out.
Understanding Ensure.
Before we delve into whether Ensure can serve as a meal replacement, let's first understand what Ensure is. Ensure is a brand of nutritional supplements that provides a range of products, including shakes and powders, designed to support overall nutrition. These products are often recommended for individuals who have difficulty meeting their nutritional needs through regular food intake, such as the elderly or those recovering from illness.
Nutritional composition.
To determine if Ensure can be a meal replacement, we need to examine if they are typically fortified with a blend of essential vitamins, minerals, protein, and carbohydrates. They often contain a moderate amount of calories, ranging from 200 to 350 calories per serving. While Ensure can provide a good source of nutrition, it's important to note that it may not be nutritionally equivalent to a complete meal. Whole foods typically offer a wider range of nutrients, including dietary fiber and various phytochemicals that are not found in meal replacement products like Ensure.
Purpose and context.
Next, let's consider the purpose and context of using Ensure as a meal replacement. Meal replacements are primarily intended for specific situations, such as when a balanced meal is not readily available or when an individual needs to control their calorie intake for weight management purposes. Ensure can be a suitable option in certain circumstances, such as when a meal is missed, or during periods of temporary dietary adjustments. However, for long-term use, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to ensure it aligns with your individual nutritional needs.
Individual needs and
For individuals with or seeking a well-rounded nutritional profile, whole foods should be the primary focus. Remember, meal replacement products like Ensure should not replace a varied and balanced diet consisting of real, whole foods. They should be used judiciously and as a supplement when necessary. In conclusion, while Ensure can provide a convenient and nutritious option in certain situations, it is not meant to replace whole foods as a primary source of nutrition. Ensure should be used judiciously and in consultation with healthcare professionals, particularly for individuals with specific dietary requirements or medical conditions. So, if you're considering using Ensure as a meal replacement, it's important to assess your individual needs and goals and seek professional guidance. Remember, a well-rounded and balanced diet is the key to optimal nutrition. Thanks for watching today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.